And why we are so keen to have the plastics treaty domiciled here is because this is the headquarters for UNEP. And if we are looking at managing resources well, and this was part of the conversation in the C80 conversation at the United Nations, then rationally, it makes a lot of sense to consolidate. And since the UNEP is here, the consolidation would make a lot of sense in the whole rationalization that is going on within the global framework, taking into account that resources have become scarce for many sectors. We have seen whether it is health, whether it is agriculture, whether it is education, even for security matters, resources are becoming scarce. So it calls on all of us, not just as the international community, but even as nations, to become even more prudent in the utilization of the resources that are available at this point in time. Turning to INC 5.2, I recommend the following. First, we should aim to adopt an international, legally binding instrument to end plastic pollution this August in Geneva. The instrument should cover the full life cycle of plastics, backed by provision of requisite financial resources, technology, and capacity building. Second, the world needs to adopt multifaceted approaches that can power the much-needed just transitioning to green development pathways. And third, we must phase out single-use plastics while promoting use of biodegradables and circular economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the international environmental governance remains fragmented.